AI full course journey from beginner to expert. Welcome to our channel. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed. And if you haven't yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like so more people can learn the truth about the future of AI. Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. It's changing the world right now. But how do you go from a complete beginner to a confident AI expert ready to take on the future? In this video, we're giving you a full roadmap from zero to pro, breaking down every step, every skill, and every tool you need to master. No fluff, no PhD needed, just a practical journey to becoming job-ready in the world's fastest-growing field. Stick with us to the end. This could change your life. Phase 1. Foundations, weeks 1 to 4. The goal is to understand the basics of AI, math, and programming. Subcourses. 1. Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. What is AI? Types of AI: narrow, general, super. Applications of AI. 2. Python for AI. Variables, loops, functions, OOP, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Jupyter Notebooks, and projects, data analysis with Pandas. 3. Mathematics for AI. Linear algebra, vectors, matrices, eigenvalues. Probability and statistics, distributions, Bayes' theorem. Calculus basics, derivatives, chain rule. 4. Data fundamentals. Structured versus unstructured data. Data wrangling and cleaning. Visualization with Matplotlib and Seaborn. Projects, exploratory data analysis, EDA. Phase 2. Core machine learning, weeks 5 to 10. The goal is to learn supervised and unsupervised machine learning. Subcourses. 1. Supervised learning. Regression, linear, logistic. Classification, KNN, SVM, decision trees, random forest. Evaluation, accuracy, precision, recall, ROC. 2. Unsupervised learning. Clustering, K-means, DISCAN. Dimensionality reduction, PCA, TSNE. 3. Model validation and tuning. Cross-validation, hyperparameter tuning. Overfitting or underfitting. Project, predict housing prices or iris classification. 4. Machine learning with scikit-learn. Pipelines, model training and exporting. Working with real datasets. Phase 3. Deep learning, weeks 11 to 16. Goal: understand neural networks and build models. Subcourses. 1. Neural networks basics. Perceptron. Activation functions, loss functions, and backpropagation. 2. Using TensorFlow and Keras. Build and train models. Layers, optimizers, callbacks. Projects, NIST digit classification. 3. Convolutional neural networks, CNNs. Image recognition. Filters, pooling, dropout. Project, image classifier with CNNs. 4. Recurrent neural networks, RNNs. Time series and sequence data. LSTM, GRU. Project, predict stock prices or generate text. Phase 4. Advanced AI concepts, weeks 17 to 24. Goal: master specialized AI domains. Subcourses. 1. Natural language processing, NLP. Tokenization, stemming, vectorization, TF-IDF, Word2Vec. Transformers, BERT, ChatGPT. Project, sentiment analysis or chatbot. 2. Reinforcement learning. Agents, rewards, environments. Q-learning, deep Q networks. Project, teach an AI to play a game. 3. Computer vision. Object detection, segmentation. Pre-trained models, YOLO, OpenCV, ResNet. Project, real-time face detection. 4. MLOps and deployment. Model deployment with Flask, Fast API. Using Docker, Kubernetes. MLflow, CI or CD for AI. Project, deploy your model on a web app. Phase 5. Real-world mastery, weeks 25 to 32. Goal: build a portfolio and become job-ready. Subcourses. 1. AI project design. Business problem AI solution. Data collection model deployment. Full stack AI pipeline. 2. Cloud AI tools. AWS SageMaker, GCP Vertex AI, Azure ML. Using pre-trained APIs, vision, speech, translation. 3. Ethics in AI. Bias in algorithms. Responsible AI development. Data privacy and fairness. 4. Interview preparation and certification. Practice problems, LeetCode, HackerRank. System design for ML. Certs. Google AI, Microsoft AI, 102. Coursera Machine Learning by Andrew Ng. Final capstone project ideas. Build your own AI-powered chatbot. Predict stock market trends. Create a medical diagnosis model. Develop an AI news summarizer. AI-powered image captioning system. Recommended tools and platforms. Languages: Python, SQL. Libraries: TensorFlow, PyTorch. Scikit-learn, OpenCV, Hugging Face. Platforms: Kaggle, Google Colab, GitHub, Coursera, Udacity, Fast AI. Thank you for learning with us. See you in the next one.